Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. Kotlin Android App Development. Lesson 4. Toast and switch button. Android toast. Toast in Android is used to display a piece of text for a short span of time. When a toast is made, the piece of a text appears on the screen. Stays there on the screen for about 2 or 3 to 5 seconds and disappears. So toast is a small screen, a piece of screen to give a message for 2 or 3 seconds and it disappears. Android switch button. Android switch button is also to state user interface element which is used to toggle between on and off as a button. By touching the button, we can drag back and forth to make it either on or off. The switch, we can add a switch to our application layout by using switch object. By default, state for an Android switch is off state. We can also change the state of switch to on by setting the Android checked true in our XML layout file. So to explain this one, we will do a small example. So I will open my Android. I will click new project. And I'll select empty activity and I'll click next. So I will say Toast app, whatever the name you want, Toast app. The saving location, the language is Kotlin, and I have selected the minimum SDK, Android 5.0 Lollipop, and I'll click finish. So the Gradle build started, right? So first we have to make a user interface using the XML. So here I have used a linear layout with a match parent, height match parent, gravity center. I have given a small padding, orientation vertical. It should come one below another. Here this a click me for toast is a button, right? Other one is the switch, right? So one below it I have to come. So I made it vertical. Button. Android ID button, the button ID giving BTN click me. The text click me for text. That is all caps false, right? The padding, text size, width and the height, wrap content. And I have placed the switch also. Switch. The switch have two properties: text off, Wi-Fi off, text on, Wi-Fi on. The idea of the switch is toggle button to, and center horizontal. So we will make this layout in our for the user interface. So I'll go to the Android app development. I will go to activity main XML. Right, that's also loading. So I will go to code, right? So I will delete the existing text view. I don't need that one, and I'll place this code here, the linear layout, right? The button and the switch, right? So the button ID is BTN click me. The switch ID is toggle button to. For the text off, Wi-Fi off, text on, Wi-Fi on. Now we'll go to our main activity Kotlin. So we have to import the packages. The button, right? The button class, switch class, and the toast class. So first we will import those classes. So I will import those classes, all three. Now we have to cast the thing here. Va btn click me, find view by id r.id btn click me, this is the id as button. Va a switch, for the switch, find view by id r id resources, r mean resources, id we have given the name toggle button 2 as switch. So I will add those two. Yeah. Right, now next we have to make a click listener event. So this is the button click me, set on click listener. Here the toast, you have the toast class, toast dot make text. This is the, in a toast class we have a function make text, built-in function in the library. This hi there, this is a toast, and you can give a toast length long dot show, so it will last for 5 seconds, right? You can give a length short like that. So we will add those add button listener event. So if you want, we can check only. So when we click this button, we can make this one in single line. So when we click this button, it will show hi there, this is a toast. So I will run that one. We will see that one. After that we will go to the switch object. So the Gradle building running. So here the launch succeeded. So here, see, there is a button, click me for toast. So when I click that one, here this is the toast. Hi there, this is a toast, and it disappears in few seconds. Here I will click again. Here click me for toast. Hi there, this is the toast. So it disappears in 3 or 4 seconds. Right, now we will make the switch. Right. So we have to add a event for the switch, that is set on checked change listener. Set on checked change listener. Right. So a switch, we have already casted the switch dot set on check change listener compound button. This is a B. So if B is true, if B is on, right? If the B is on, toast make text this Wi-Fi on, toast length long show. Else, right? If mean the B is off, if the button is off, right? Else toast make text this Wi-Fi off, toast length long show. So I will add this set on check change listener. So I will add that one. Right. Now we can run the program. So I will click run app. So launch succeeded. You see, here this switch is off. When I click on, it say Wi-Fi on. When I click off, Wi-Fi off. Toast here. When you click this button, that is right. Hi, this is a toast. It disappears. In few seconds, it disappears. Here the Wi-Fi on also there because I on right now here. So you can try these exercises and learn. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learn about the toast and switch button in Android development. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any question regarding the lessons, you can comment in the comment box. We will reply for it.